Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on basic legal English terms. Today we learn 8 important words that you might hear in a courtroom or legal setting. You might also hear these words while watching movies or TV shows about courtrooms. So let's get started. The first word that you need to know is the word judge. A judge is a person in a courtroom who listens to both sides of a case and makes decisions based on the law. For example, Judge Smith listened carefully to all the evidence before making a decision. The second word that you should know is jury. A jury is a group of people who listen to a trial and decide if someone is guilty or not guilty. By the way, the jury consists of 12 people, and they are ordinary people like you and me. Here is an example. In a trial about a robbery, the jury thought carefully before giving their verdict. And of course, this takes us to number 3, which is the word verdict. Verdict is the decision made by the jury or judge at the end of a trial. Example: the jury's verdict was that the defendant was not guilty of the crime. Number 4, the word defendant. The word defendant refers to the person who is accused of a crime or wrongdoing in a court. For example, in the trial, John was the defendant accused of breaking into the store. Number 5 is the word plaintiff. Plaintiff is a person who brings a case against someone else in a court. For instance, Sarah was the plaintiff in the case against her former employer. Next is the word sentence, which is number 6. Sentence is the punishment given by a judge or someone who has been found guilty of a crime. Here is an example. After the trial, the judge gave a sentence of 2 years in prison to the defendant. Number 7 is the word bail. Bail is the money that someone must pay in order to be released from jail while they wait for the trial. For example, after paying bail, Adam was able to go home and wait for his court date instead of staying in jail. And finally, here comes the last word that you might have heard throughout this video, which is the word trial. A trial is when a judge and sometimes a jury listen to evidence and decide if someone accused of a crime is guilty or not. Example: in the trial, the judge listened to both sides and decided what happened. Great job! Now you know the 8 important legal English words, essential for both law students and learners of English as a second or foreign language. These words can help you understand legal matters, whether in everyday life, news updates, or even your favorite courtroom dramas. For more practice, I invite you to try the exercise provided in the video description. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.